My name is Maribel Montero. I work at the Nano 3 clean room facility at UCSD. I'm in charge of the EV lithography services that we provide on the facility. The system that we have in the facility right now is EBPG 5200. We do work for undergraduates, graduates, postdocs, and external companies, and we are working on things like photonics, waveguides, 2D materials, DNA sequencing projects, metal lenses, gratings. We made molds for nano imprints. We have a huge variety of projects that we work on. We have been customers since 2006. We bought a Raith 50, and then we got the EBPG. We have very good relationship. Anytime that we have problem, we have immediate response. The system been running really like 95% of the time, very little downtime. We used to have an old, small 30 kV system, but the new EBPG system has allowed to do things that we couldn't do before. We do on regular basis 10 nanometer electro gaps. We do very small feature size. We have been able to do overlay with accuracy less than 5 nanometers that we couldn't do before. This new system has been enable all these kind of new projects that we couldn't do before.